Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post haul videos, vlogs, shopping, DIYs, all that. So if you like that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. This one is probably the best one I've done in a while. We went to Ohio this weekend, and obviously I went to like 6 Dollar Trees there, and this is what I got from them. It doesn't seem like a lot, but I feel like I scored in 6. This is all stuff that I've never seen before. Some repeats that I have, but most of all of this is like brand new, never seen. So grab a snack, grab a drink, subscribe, and let's get into this haul. So first off, this is not from Dollar Tree, but I just felt like I had to show you guys. I got these little coin purses at this restaurant in Ohio, and I think these are just so cute. I had to show them off because they're adorbs. Okay, so first off, I got this by Must Have Beauty. It is the premium quality Apply Evenly foundation brush. And I just got the all black one because I have the glitter one. So I wanted just something different. So I got the matte black one. So we have that. Then let's do the couple repeats. So I did get another Juicy Lips Juicy Apple. This is going in a Christmas stocking. And then I got the peach one also. Again, Christmas stocking. And then the Lip Melt in Peachy Keen. This packaging, so cute. And then the last two repeats are the pink lip mask. So bougie still, and this is going in a stocking. Then the last repeat is the Sweetie Pie lip gloss, Cozy Kisses and Pumpkin Wishes. That's all in a stocking. Now let's get into this. So first thing first, I found the Wicked hand cream, and this is in berry scented. So there's that one. And then this one is strawberry scented. I don't know why I didn't get the watermelon too. I should have got all 3 of them, but I didn't. But if I see the watermelon somewhere else, I'm grabbing it. But for now, I got these cute stocking stuffers. Then, okay, are we kidding me right now? So these are by Disney Princesses, and these are gel eye pads used for hot and cold. And look at this little piggy one from Moana. Okay, so we got that one. And then I got the Snow White apples. They did have a few more. I didn't get all of them, but I should have, but I didn't. But those are the kind I got. Definitely run a Dollar Tree for these. These are so cute. So we got that. Then by Revlon, we got the Blonde Color Stay Brow Mousse. Now, last time I got the brown, but this time I got blonde. The brown was a little too dark, so we got this shade, so we'll see. And then finally, I found another one of these Yes to dual-ended face mask tools. I've been on the hunt for these for months, and I finally found one just laying there, so we grabbed her. Then, by the Elite Mercier, we have the Stunning Satin Lip Tint Velvet Matte Texture, Smooth and Creamy Formula. So it just looks like this. That color. I'm super excited. So we got that. Then, hair care was still, some of it was still $1.25. So I grabbed this. It's the Comparative Tresemme Step Wavy Sweep 5-in-1 Wave Spray Hair Mist to help enhance waves. So we got this one for $1.25. And then this one, which is the 5-in-1 Texture Spray, gives strength to hold and help flat hair. So these were still $1.25. So got that. Then by Natural Sense, we got the Rosemary Hair Protection, made with rosemary, citronella, and tea tree oil. So I'm excited to try this. It says it's safe for hair and gentle. So we got this. And they did have like a rice water that I wanted to get, but every bottle was half filled. So it's like I'm not gonna spend the money on a half filled bottle, but I am on the hunt for the filled ones. Then by Natural Sense, this is the plant-based leave-in conditioner and detangler. So I'm super excited to try this. I've seen this on TikTok. Okay, the most exciting hair thing of this all. Are we kidding me? The Brazilian Mist Hairspray. Volumizing hold that can boost natural texture. I cannot believe I found this. I guess it takes me to go to Ohio. But yeah, we got this, and I cannot wait to try this. I'm definitely gonna do like a probably either short or whole video on just this because I cannot wait to try this. So we got this. Then the next thing is I found the whole entire brand new unopened box of the new Daydreamin' collection from LA Color. Ioni. I got one of everything. So let's just get into it. So first off, we have the Shea Butter Lip Balm in Strawberry Red. Like, are we kidding? Look how cute the packaging is. So we got that one. Then we have the Shea Butter Lip Balm in Pink Mint. So same strawberry like shape, but just in pink. So after this part, after I show everything, I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys again. Then we got this. This is the Loose Baking Powder. Brightens complexion, locks in makeup, controls shine, mineral powder, paraben free in UB Cool Pink. So I'm stoked for this actually. So we got that. Then we have the Matte Primer. Creates a smooth base for makeup, lightweight, prolongs makeup wear, paraben free. So we have the primer. And then we have the Green Tea Setting Spray with green tea extract. Lightweight misting formula, locks in makeup. So that's that one. Okay, we are not done. So let's keep going. Then we have a brow gel. So this one is in chestnut brown. And lightweight, sets and holds all day, paraben free. So we got the brown one. And then we got the clear. So these are the two brows, brown and clear. Then we have pH Kiss Lip Balm, reacts to skin natural pH, and I love these. And this is an apple crisp soft pink. Are we kidding about the packaging? That's what it looks like too. So we have green apple, or apple crisp. And then we have the orange zest and soft coral. So that one. Then we have the liquid blush in raspberry spice berry. So are we kidding? Like, we have that one. And then we have the liquid blush in cinnamon cream nude peach. So these are the two blushes. And then we have a bronzer. Buildable natural looking finish in macchiato medium brown. So we have that one. No highlighter, which I was kind of shocked a little bit, but who knows. Then lips. So we have the lip oil, vitamin E, hydrating sheer color, lightweight, pink coconut pink. So looks like that. So pink coconut. And then peaches and cream, which I love the most probably. So peaches and cream. Then we have Hot Alert, lip plumping serum. Couldn't read it. And this is in candy apple red. Like, are we kidding? So candy apple red. And honey ginger terracotta. So that is literally the whole Daydreamin' collection. Now I'm going to unbox so we can really get into this because I'm stoked. Okay, so this is the powder. Just, in this little compact, and it just, looks like that. So that's the powder. And then the primer, typical, just looks like that. cute, compact. And then, oh, my nail's bleeding underneath. It's weird. Anyway, this is the little sitting spray in green apple. No, green tea. Cute. And then this is the brow gel, but can we talk about the freaking little star on top? Like, what? So this is the clear brow gel. And then this is the brown. But look how cute the little toppers are. So those are the brows. And then the liquid blush, this is cinnamon cream. Can we talk about the freaking packaging? Like, what? Cinnamon cream. This is the bronzer and macchiato. Again, same little top. And then raspberry spice. Cute top. Then our lips, our little pH lip balm in orange. How cute is this though, for real? We have that one. And then we have the green. Super cute. And then we have our two little strawberries. These are so cute. So, got those. And then our pink coconut. Look how cute packaging. Pink coconut. And then peaches and cream. Okay, so this one, no heart. This one, heart. Okay, there's the difference besides the color. And then this is our honey ginger lip plumping, and this is the candy apple. So that is everything in that collection unboxed. I'm never going to do a full video trying it, wear testing it, and reviewing it. So stay tuned for that. But that is it for this part. I'm going shopping tomorrow, so we shall see what I find there. Okay, last part of this haul, I went to 2 stores, got some goodies. So first off, I finally found the Orchid Microbiome Balancing Intimate Spray. Promote healthy pH balance, block odor causing bacteria, calm sensitive skin. Personally, I will never spray this on my skin, but yeah, it's still good to just carry in your purse or whatever, so I got that. Then I got another one of these sprays because this is so good. I can't even hype it up enough. It's the Alni Gold Collagen and Rosewater Plump and Glow Facial Mist. Relieve dry, lackluster skin, enriched with watermelon and peptide complex. Yeah, this stuff is so good. So if you guys see it, pick it up. Literally have to. We have the Dermasil Face Serum Oil. Virgin Mineral Calm, Smooth and Restore. I love this collection, so I'm so happy I got the serum. Then, of course, with the Dermasil brand, we got the Whipped Recovery Cream. Repair and Restore. Love this stuff. And then we got the Multivitamin Eye Roller, built-in roller ball. So, I did not get the cleanser, but... Then, I saw on TikTok that this is a Peter Thomas Roth dupe, and it's the Power Toner with AHA, BHA, tea tree, and niacinamide, 3 benefits in 1. Energizing, balance, and resurface. So, I got the toner, and then I got the moisturizer. Then, we got these facial cleansing pads. Well, we've seen these before, but these are way bigger. They look bigger. I could be totally wrong. They just look bigger. So I got the blue. And then the last thing is they have these new cosmetic little storage boxes. So we have this one with all these smiley faces. And then we have this one with flowers. And then my favorite one is the blue bows. Can you see that? And they had one more and it was all hearts, but I was like, I don't like that. So these are the 3 that I got. So yeah, that completes this little Dollar Tree haul. I'm stoked with what I found. I literally cannot wait to do reviews and try stuff and all that. And I'm going shopping this weekend, so I cannot wait to find more stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are in the hunt for. I should be in the hunt for your favorite item. And don't forget to subscribe and share the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.